to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Tuesday, September 27, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence.
Salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today, Tuesday, September 27, 2022. Breakfast, pancake on a stick, juice choice, fruit choice. Lunch, fish nuggets, vegetarian beans, hush puppies, juice of choice, fruit of choice, and coleslaw.
Today's weather is a high of 85 and a low of 60. Sunny. There will be a 0% chance of rain.
Today's announcements. Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Grades, please print them weekly grade books for each course or keep an
Updated electronic copy each week, just in case. Please continue sending the envelopes with prize codes to the office in your snack bag. Prizes will be delivered soon.
Important dates: September 27th, PST, Rennie's for teacher lunch. September 30th, Feel Good Friday. September 30th, also going gold for Maddie. Wear gold shirts for $1. Donate to St. Jude. October 3rd, Environmental Center presentation for 2nd and 3rd grade. October 6th, United Way out of your uniform, $2. October 7th, end of first quarter.
October 10th, no school teacher work day. October 11th, second quarter begins. October 14th through 5th.
October 14th, 5th grade field trip to Davidson. October 17th through the 21st, book fair. October 17th, also Red Cross Blood Mobile. October 21st, also Kona Ice. October 24th through the 28th, Red Ribbon Week. Happy birthday,
Santiago Arujo and Miss Shaver.
Send us your question of the day. Are you curious about something? Always wonder how something works?
Send us your question. It may be chosen for a question of the day to be answered by a research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday.